This video is on the objective perform operations on vectors in terms of those vectors I and j. Alright, so this is the second video on this objective, and I'm hoping you watched the first one already because I'm not going to do as much explanation here. I'm just going to go in and work the problem. So again, if you want to see more about the topic, click on More Instruction, look at their videos, their notes, their examples, and hopefully those help you. Alright, so here we're given a vector u, which is a 3i minus 4j, meaning go right 3, down 4. And vector v is 2i minus 2j, which means go right 2, down 2. Find the vector, a new vector, u minus v. Right, so I'll write these out. So again, u is 3 times that vector I minus 4 times vector j, which again you can pretty easily go to the standard notation this way, right? That's 3i, so 3 for the first component, negative 4j, negative 4 for the second. Vector v is 2i minus 2j. They should have arrows over them, they're vectors. And again, if you want to convert that to standard notation, it'd be 2 for the first component, negative 2 for the second. Now we're asked to do u minus v, right? Find the new vector u minus v. Now you can take these, take 3i minus 4j, and then subtract the vector 2i minus 2j, and then combine like terms. Get the i's together, the j's together. Now this one would require distributing a minus sign here. You're subtracting all of this vector. But then I'd end up with you have 3i minus 2i, so that'd be 1i, or just I. And then negative 4j minus negative 2j. That'd be negative 4j plus 2j. It'd be minus 2j. And there you go. I mean, you don't have to write 1i, you could just write I minus 2j, which would be the vector with components 1, negative 2. Which you see, if I subtracted these, I would have ended up with that as well. If I, 3 minus 2 is 1, negative 4 minus negative 2 is negative 2, same thing, but they wanted it, in terms of this I and j. So, and you can draw pictures of all these as well in the coordinate plane and see them working out like that with the parallelograms and whatnot, as I've done in other videos, but I'm not going to do that here. Alright, so just end up with I minus 2j, and that's this first option. Wonderful. Alright, so again, hopefully watching me go over this, looking at the more instruction if you need to, reading the answer explanations when they come up. Hoping all this stuff helps you when you go about working on this material on your own. And thank you very much for watching.